The coin shown in the images is a 1972 Eisenhower dollar, a large-size $1 coin issued by the United States Mint and named after Dwight D. Eisenhower, the 34th President of the United States and a five-star general in the U.S. Army during World War II. This coin belongs to a short but historically rich series of circulating large dollar coins minted from 1971 to 1978. The Eisenhower dollar, often affectionately referred to as the Ike dollar, was the first U.S. dollar coin minted after the Peace Dollar series ended in 1935 and the first to feature a president who served in the 20th century. The obverse front of the coin features a left-facing portrait of President Eisenhower with inscriptions around it. Liberty at the top, In God We Trust on the left below the chin, and the date 1972 below the bust. This design was created by Frank Gasparo, the 10th chief engraver of the U.S. Mint. His initials, FG, are seen just below Eisenhower's neckline. This coin was released in a time of transition for U.S. currency, as the Mint had just stopped using silver for circulating coins. Most 1972 Eisenhower dollars, including this one, were struck in copper-nickel-clad composition and minted primarily for circulation, although some were struck in 40% silver for collectors as part of special mint sets or proof issues, particularly from the San Francisco Mint. The reverse, back, of the coin features a powerful image inspired by the Apollo 11 moon landing, honoring Eisenhower's connection to space exploration during the height of the Cold War. The image depicts an American bald eagle landing on the moon, clutching an olive branch of peace in its talons, with the Earth visible in the background, a direct reference to the mission patch of Apollo 11. Surrounding the eagle are 13 stars, symbolizing the original colonies, and above the eagle is the national motto, E pluribus unum, meaning, out of many, one. The words United States of America curve along the top rim, while $1 appears along the bottom. This reverse design symbolizes America's global leadership, its peaceful intentions, and its commitment to unity in a time of global tension and technological competition during the space race. In 1972, the Eisenhower dollar was minted at 3 different locations: Philadelphia, no mint mark, Denver, D, and San Francisco, S. Based on the image, this coin appears to be from the Philadelphia Mint, as there is no visible mint mark above the date. The Philadelphia Mint struck over 75 million Eisenhower dollars in 1972 for general circulation. However, the 1972 Philadelphia Eisenhower dollar is especially notable among collectors due to the presence of 3 different reverse varieties, Type 1, 2, and 3, each differing slightly in the depiction of Earth and the islands beneath Florida. The Type 2 variety is particularly rare and valuable, with its Earth appearing smoother and less detailed, a result of a proof reverse die mistakenly used in circulation strikes. Identifying these types typically requires close examination or magnification, which cannot be definitively determined from the image alone, but collectors often seek out the Type 2 because of its rarity. The 1972 Eisenhower dollar is a historically meaningful piece, not only because of the man it honors, but also because it captures a unique era in American coinage, bridging the gap between silver coinage and modern clad issues, and celebrating America's achievements in space. Though not made of silver in most cases, the coin's large size, 38.1 millimeters in diameter and weighing 22.68 grams, and bold design give it a commanding presence in hand. However, because of its size and limited use in vending machines, it was not widely accepted by the public, leading to relatively low circulation compared to other coins. Today, Eisenhower dollars, especially those in uncirculated or proof condition, or with key varieties, are sought by numismatists for their historical, patriotic, and aesthetic value. A typical circulated 1972 Philadelphia Eisenhower dollar, like the one in your image, is worth around $1.25 to $3, but those in uncirculated condition or containing rare Type 2 reverse varieties can command significantly higher prices, sometimes exceeding $100 or more, depending on grade and demand in the collector market. In summary, the 1972 Eisenhower dollar is more than just a coin. It's a tribute to a beloved American president, a celebration of the U.S. space program, and a representation of a transformative period in American history. Its bold size, Detailed design and association with both historical leadership and technological achievement make it a proud and meaningful addition to any collection, especially for those interested in the numismatic legacy of the 20th century.